Titan is in the garage, and we are ready to install the cold air intake from Motorsports. So let's get her unboxed, see what we're working with, and get to it. I guess like most everything, I'm just gonna wing it. I actually flipped these clamps over. I like to hide the bolt part of it. Looks a little bit more clean like this. Clamps up a little bit again here and here, and rotated the whole intake tube just to get this coming out more this way, less on the top, but also sort of brings this tube up, makes the Z1 off-road a little more prominent. Now it kind of makes me think I might want to keep the engine cover off. Not sure. Gotta say now, just a little bit of cleanup, and I kind of really am tempted to keep the engine cover off, but for now I'm going to put it back on. Let me know in the comments below if you guys prefer the Titan with the engine cover off. I know I had it off on the Q50 and I preferred that look. I'll just take these little brackets off and then we'll clean it up some more. I don't have time to do a full detail tonight, but let me know. Let me know your thoughts. Engine cover, no engine cover. Well, that is it, guys. A few basic hand tools and a little bit of time, probably about an hour or so, and you can handle this project. Now, there are instructions on Z1 Offroad, the website, for installing this cold air intake. Again, it's very, very simple. Pretty self-explanatory if you just take a look at the parts, but just use this video as a guide only. I'm not a professional. I'm not a mechanic. So again, this is not a how-to. It's just simply how I did it, and it seemed to work for me, but now I'm looking forward to actually testing it out, and that video actually was up probably before this one. So if you're interested in finding out how the exhaust sounds now, if it all different than it was before, seeing how the induction noise sounds under the hood, and if the truck actually performs any better at all, check that video out. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell notification, hit the thumbs up. I appreciate you guys' continued support. More stuff coming for this channel, more stuff coming for the second channel. Hope you guys will follow along on that video or on that channel as well. Appreciate the continued support. We'll see you in the next one.